guys, so in this video I want to quickly share with you guys a very simple yet effective DIY that I use to take care of my son coiling hair. This DIY is going to serve as a mask and it's going to help you to get rid of that dryness and make your hair look really soft and moisturized. As you can see, the hair is so dry right now, so let's go ahead and mix the ingredients together. So you need organic coconut oil, guys, organic coconut oil and aloe vera gel, 100% aloe vera gel, let me stress that. And also you need a castor oil. So today I will be using the castor oil because I don't have that right now at home, so we're just gonna use these two together. They work really great. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix my coconut oil, then I'll go ahead and just turn the aloe vera gel into the coconut oil that I melted. That's it, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, guys, and I just mix them together. After that, I just go ahead and apply it to the hair. You can section your hair into 4 parts, but I'm not gonna do that today because I don't have that much time. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it just like this, then I will braid. When I'm done, I'm just gonna leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then after I'll wash it off. And yeah, you can go ahead and apply any curly cream, or you can just leave it till the next day. So this is what the hair is looking like, and we're just gonna stay for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna show you guys what the hair looks like after I wash. Soft, it looks so moisturized, it looks shining, like it looks really soft, guys, honestly. So yeah, this is basically what I do. If you have a mixed kid, you know that sometimes their hair can get really dry. Their hair can be really difficult to maintain. So yeah, try this out, and that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just thought I should share because this is really helping us a lot. Yeah, okay guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.